So today, all we're going to be doing is changing out a fuel filter here. It's a Daveco Fuel Pro 382. If you can see that. So basically, all you're going to need, which I've already loosened it up, you'll come in, place that like so. This one, we already had it replaced anyway. So you can actually twist this one in here. Open this up. You want to get some sort of jug here. And as you can see, underneath, this is going to be the actual valve that allows you to open it up. Alright, so that's the best way I can get it set up to where you can see. She'll come around back. Make sure, put your jug there. You're going to open it up. Drain all that out. Alright. Like I said, it already drained most of it before I even started this. So once it's drained out, come back. You can close that valve back. And we'll look over in there here in a minute. See what it's looking like. Put this on like so. I'm gonna twist it just to where it comes loose. Want to make sure you keep everything safe. We'll go clean this here in just a minute. You're going to take the actual filter out. When you take it out, see there's an open hole here. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you take the rubber grommet that's sitting on this thread, take it out as well. That's what it looks like from up top. Alright. So from here, you got your filter, that rubber grommet out. Most important part though, from the vent, this O-ring. See, it's not really dry rot or anything, but you're going to want to go back through and clean it. As well as this O-ring here and the actual inside of the bulb. But as you can see, it's not dry rotted or anything like that. Still go ahead and replace both of them. And all I'm going to clean this out with is a rack. It's already got diesel in there, so it's already going to be pretty easy to keep clean or wipe down and get it clean. It did come with new gaskets though, so we'll be replacing all those anyway. Give me just a second. Filter in like that. Make sure the spring's on the top side. just on the 382. I'm just going to tighten it down 2 more turns. 1, 2. Alright. Everything's tight, nothing's loose. Here's your cap with the new O-ring on here as well. There's no dirt, mud, anything like that, but you are going to want more. So you got that a little bit in. I never pour that bottom part in because that's where, if there is any dirt or anything, it's going to sit down here at the bottom. Okay, but you don't have that issue right now with this one. Let me get some more fuel, pour it in there. That way, make sure it'll prime, and we'll start it up.